Good morning class. As you all know beta, in the previous video we have completed our chapter number 2nd. Today we will going to start our chapter number 3rd, and the name of chapter 3rd is decimals. In this chapter we will learn about the decimal numbers. Okay, so what is a decimal number? A decimal number is a combination of a whole number and a decimal part. Okay, there are two things in a decimal number, and that is whole number plus decimal part. For example, if we write 849.73, this is a decimal number beta. Okay, and in this number, this 849 is a whole number, and the number that we have write with point is decimal part, and that is 0.73. This is decimal part. This is decimal part. Okay, and now we will learn how can we read a given decimal number. For example, if we have this decimal number 849.73, to read the decimal number we read the whole number as the total sum up. For example, this is 849, we will read this total sum up as 849. Okay, but to read the decimal part we have to read the numbers digit by digit. Okay, we have to read the number digit by digit. We do not read this as 73, we read this number as 73. Okay, how to read this? We have to read this like 73, not 73. Clear? Okay, now we will learn about the operations that we can apply on decimal numbers beta. Look at the operation. We can apply these 4 operations on the decimal number: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, we can add two decimal number, subtract one decimal number from another. We can multiply decimal numbers, and we can divide one decimal number by another. Now we will learn about addition and subtraction firstly. Okay, look at here. Addition of two decimal number. To add decimal numbers beta, we have to write the whole part of one number just below the whole part of another number. Okay, and after that we have to check decimal point are in the same position on the both row. Okay, and after that we have to write the decimal part. Decimal, and then we have to start add the number from the right side. Okay, then we have to start to add the number from right side. Okay, now let us take an example by which you will get it. For example, if you have to add 447.321 into 801.432. Look at here beta, the whole part is just below the whole part of another, and the decimal part is just below the decimal part of another number. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do addition, and we have to starting addition from right side. Okay, so this is right side, so 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 4 7. Put the decimal on its position. 7 plus 1 8, 4 plus 0 4, 8 plus 4 12. This is the way by which we can add two given decimal numbers. Okay beta, now we will learn about the subtraction of decimal number. Okay, to subtract a given decimal number from another, what we have to do? We have to follow the same pattern as we have followed in the addition. For example beta, if you have to subtract 841.732 from 982.93934. Okay, now you have to subtract this number from this number. So firstly we write the number 982.934. Then as like addition we have to write the whole part of one number just below the another, and the decimal part is below the decimal part of another. Okay, now we have to subtract. Same like addition, we have to start the subtraction from the right side. Okay, so 4 minus 2 2, 3 minus 3 0, 9 minus 7 2, put the decimal sign, 2 minus 1 1, 8 minus 4 4, 9 minus 8 1. So this is the way by which you can subtract a given decimal number from another number. Okay, now we will start our exercise 3.1. So look at the exercise 3.1 question number first beta. This is your question number first. Add the following. Okay, in the question number first we have to add the decimal number. So the A part is beta 324.93, and you have to add 75.208 in it. Okay, look at here beta. In the first part we have only 2 digit in the after decimal, and in the second number we have 3 digit after decimal. To fill this third part we have to write 0 beta. In the same manner here we have to place 0. Okay, now we will add them. We have to add from right side. So 0 plus 8 is 8, 3 plus 0 is 3, 9 plus 2 is 11, and this 1 must be as carry, and this will be right here. So 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 is 0, again we have 1 as carry. So 7 plus 2 9, and 9 plus 1 is 10, again we have 1 as carry. So 3 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 4. So this is the answer of your question number first A part beta. The remaining question of this exercise question number first, all part are same. Try to do them by yourself beta. Now we will take an one part of your question number second. A part of second question. Subtract 69.731 from 83.415. Okay, we have to subtract. Now write the number here 83.415. Put the whole part below the whole part of the number, and the decimal part below the decimal part of the number. Then we have to minus, and same like addition we have to start minus from the right side. So 5 minus 1 4. Now 1 minus 3 is not possible, so we have to take the carries. If we take carry from 4, this 1 will be become 11. Okay, so 11 minus 3 is equal to 8. After taking 1 carry from 4, 4 will be become 3. Okay, so 3 minus 7 is also not possible, so again we will take a carry from 3. So after taking carry, this will become 13. So 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Okay, as like 4 we have taken 1 carry from 3, so this 3 will be become 2. So 2 minus 9 is also not possible, so again we will take a carry from 8. After taking carry, this will become 12. So 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Here we have left with 7. So 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So this is the subtraction of 69.731 from 83.415. Okay beta. So this is the way by which you have to subtract a given decimal number from the another decimal number. I hope you will get it. The remaining part of the second question are same as like the A part. Try to do them by yourself, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day.